Hello guys, my name is Luciano. If you're new here, welcome. This is my channel where I share with you guys all my experience wearing a hair system. I am bald from here to the back. Everything here, it's not my hair. It's like a hair system. I'm just have a little, no, I have nice hair in the front. So today, we have a new company working with us. They just sent me this. Is the Superhairpieces. You guys probably, if you already search for systems, you probably already saw this logo here. They have incredible products. I saw their pages. I love how they have a lot of information in their pages, like especially if the system lasts longer, if the system lasts not that much, because it's important for you guys. When you get a system from whatever company, or if you're new wearing a system, you have to understand if your system is gonna last like 2 months, 3 months, a year. So I love how clear they are in their website showing the information about that. It's something I really like about that. And yeah, today I'm gonna do with you guys this unboxing and share with you guys everything I think about this company, about the product, and my first impression. Of course, I want to do other videos showing you guys my installation, the haircut, how the hair came, and of course, after wearing the system for like 2 weeks, I'm gonna try, or maybe 3 weeks, I'm gonna try to make a video for you guys, showing you guys what is my impression. Is the system lasting? Is the system good? I'm losing a lot of hair. I'm not losing a lot of hair. First of all the information about the system is on the description here. If you guys want to get any information, the link for their web page, if you guys like the system, all the information, color, everything, it's gonna be below here in the description. Okay, so let's go for the unboxing. So I just received the box. Here's the Superhairpieces box. I just opened here. I didn't see the system because I want to see with you guys. Okay, so here it is. The system came. Okay, so I request for the color 1B. I used to wear the color 2, but I noticed that my color is like fading fast, so I asked them to get the color number 2. I'm sorry, 1B. So here's the system. You guys can see the logo. Let's see, you see, you have some description here. This model, it's going to be the M101 regular, and now they have this new version that is M101V, because this comes with V-loop. What means the V-loop? That means like the hair comes inside and goes out. So it's better to brush so you can move the hair, the style, the way you prefer. And the base is a little thinner than the 101. Okay, so perfect. Here is the system. Usually you see they come in plastic inside. So look, this is the hair. This is the quality of the hair. Of course you have to wash the hair and see how it's going to be. It's long as usually is. You see here, the hair is long. And the density, I think this is, I'm gonna have in the description, but I'm sure this is 100% density. Okay, so let me just take this out so we can see. Okay. Here is the system. So you see it's a really thin layer of plastic in here, the PU. And in the front, you guys can see here, look, it's a really thin plastic. You see this plastic, usually when you apply the system, you cut it. So, but you can see, look, the baby hair, you see, you have baby hair. This makes really natural. And as I told you guys, the V-loop, you don't have knots in here. You just have like V-loops. I'm sorry, you just have like V-loops. So the hair comes in and goes out. So this plastic, after you install, you're gonna cut it and it's gonna look really natural because the plastic here in the front is really thin. Yeah, I like the density. The quality of the hair for now looks really nice. So I definitely have to show you guys how the system is gonna be like after a week, after wearing, washing and everything. But so far, I really like the system. I really like the structure. I think the material is really resistant. I like this kind of material because it's not thick enough to be like this kind of plastic in your head, and it's not so thin like this. It's an intersection. So this is probably 6, I think it's between 4 and 6 millimeters. So it's definitely a good option if you don't want something so thin like this and so thick, almost like that. So yeah, and I wanna just give you guys a last look of the quality of the hair. Let me just come here in the light, you see? This is the hair. This is the quality of the hair. This is the system. You see? Here it is. And as you guys always ask me, this is the scalp look. I don't know if you guys can see. You see my finger crossing here? The most important, where is the front line? The baby hair right here. Okay. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I want to say thank you again for Superhairpieces for joining me to this new experience, to this new kind of videos that I want to share with you guys. So it's important for me to share with you guys what is new in the market, what is the difference in the market, so you guys can understand like what kind of style should I get, if it's better PU, is better lace, what is better for you, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. Please let in the comments all information you guys want to know. Thank you so much for all support, and see you guys next time.